Stop waiting. Name my hotel. It's a name.
Okay, I think we're done.
That was fast.
Over here. You gotta wait for Daddy to help you. I don't know what you're putting on there.
I thought you was doing that witch. No, I'm doing Annie. Hannah.
Daddy?
What are we doing?
No, Hannah.
How?
You want to put H&M on there? You want to do a microphone? What are you doing?
Microphone.
Just a microphone?
Just a microphone? Just a microphone. It looks like a...
Ice cream cone. Mom.
How about we do H&M on here?
It's on it.
Yeah, I think that'd be cool.
Okay.
H&M.
All right.